This video will show you how to use the bulk upload tool for student submissions in assigned assessments. This is a homework assignment that has 3 different image or PDF response questions. The bulk tool will only appear if you have more than one image or PDF question response to submit. The regular submission still exists and hasn't changed. This is just an additional option for if you want to upload multiple questions at a time and be able to assign the images. So what we will do is click into bulk upload here. You can drag and drop, or you can click to browse. We can select some images. And once those are uploaded, you can click an image to assign it to a question. You can also shift click to select multiple images. You can assign multiple questions to an image if you have more than one question on a page, for example. You can also delete images from here, and once everything is assigned, we can click done, and all of our images will be uploaded to the appropriate questions. So traditionally, students would upload everything to one question and then drag and drop between. That option is still available. You also have the option still to zoom in or delete images from each question, and then you can submit.